Hello my students, today we want to talk about the perpendicular bisector. What is the perpendicular bisector? The definition say the perpendicular bisector is a line perpendicular to a segment at its midpoint. That means if we have a segment AB, the perpendicular bisector of segment AB is a line makes a 90-degree angle with segment AB and passing through the midpoint of AB. Passing through the midpoint of segment AB, that means this line cuts AB into two equal sides. So this line is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. So any perpendicular bisector of any segment should be makes an angle equal to 90 degree and passing through the midpoint of this segment. Now, how to construct the perpendicular bisector of a segment using compass. As example, construct the perpendicular bisector of the segment AB of length 6 cm. We want to construct the perpendicular bisector of segment AB of length 6 cm. How? Let's go to learn how to construct the perpendicular bisector on the page of drawing. First, we should draw the segment AB of length 6 cm. So we put the ruler, as we see, and we draw a segment of length 6 cm, as we see. This is the segment of length 6 cm as we see, and the points are A, B. So we draw the segment AB of length 6 cm. Now, how to construct the perpendicular bisector of this segment AB by using the compass. So we bring the compass and we put the compass on the point A and we open the compass. A length should be more than or greater than the half of segment AB. We can open the compass at any length you want, but it should be greater than the half of segment AB. So we open the compass a length more than the half of segment AB as we see. And we draw a semicircle and we do the same by putting the compass at the point B. We do the same as we do on the point A at the same length of compass, at the same length, and we draw a semicircle, and as we see we have two intersection points. If we join these two intersection points, we get the perpendicular bisector of AB. So we put the ruler to join these 2 points, and join them by the pencil, and finally we have the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. So after we draw the perpendicular bisector of AB, we get this figure. Another example, construct the perpendicular bisector of segment AE equal to 7 cm. We have a segment AE of length 7 cm and we want to construct the perpendicular bisector of this segment. So let's start. We put the ruler and we draw a segment of length 7 cm. This segment of length 7 cm of point A, E. Now we want to draw the perpendicular bisector of AE. How? By using the compass. So this is the compass and we put the compass at the point A and we open the compass a length more than the half of segment AE, as we see, and we draw a semicircle. Okay, and then we do the same at the point E at the same distance of this compass. Okay, as we see, and we draw the semicircle, and we get the two intersection points. We join them to each other to get the perpendicular bisector. So we put the ruler, join these 2 points, and by pencil we join them to each other, and we get the perpendicular bisector of segment AE. So after we draw the perpendicular bisector of AE, we get this figure. Another and final example, construct the point K. K is the intersection point of the perpendicular bisector of the segment BM and the perpendicular bisector of the segment BN, where BM equal 5 cm and BN equal 3 cm. And this is the figure. Okay, so I want to construct the point K, and the point K are the intersection point of the intersection point of the perpendicular bisector of segment MB and the perpendicular bisector of segment BN. So we need to draw or construct the perpendicular bisector of MB and the perpendicular bisector of BN, and the intersection point of these two perpendicular bisector are the point K. So let's go to do this on the page of a drawing. So this figure I have MB equal to 5 cm and BN equal to 3 cm. First, we should draw the perpendicular bisector of MB by using the compass. So we bring the compass and we put them at the point M and the pencil at a distance away from M more than the half of segment MB, and we draw a semicircle at the point M. Okay, and we do the same at the point B at the same distance, and we draw the semicircle. Okay, and finally we get the intersection points of these two semicircles, and we get the perpendicular bisector. But before, let's do the same at the segment BN. Okay, so we put the pencil at a distance more than the half, and we draw a semicircle. Okay, and we do the same at the point N. Okay, and we draw the semicircle. Okay, now we put the ruler. Okay, and we join these 2 points. Okay, and we join these 2 points. Okay, this is the perpendicular bisector of segment MB, and we do the same at, okay, as we see, and we join these 2 points, and we get the intersection point. The intersection point of these two perpendicular bisectors. This point are the point K. So finally, after we do this, we get the first perpendicular bisector and the second perpendicular bisector of segment MB and BN respectively. We get the intersection point of these two perpendicular bisectors, the point K. And thank you everybody.